Today we talk about how can you disable Haptic feedback on your Dream app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that with your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here. You click on this sign down here. You just click on it. You come to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, so you just go here above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just come here to Haptic feedback here, click in this sign or this color. Like you see here color, it's gone. That's mean Haptic feedback, it's disabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.